In today's video, I'm sharing a super simple DIY hydration hack that will leave your skin bouncy, smooth, and glowing using easy ingredients. Start with 1 tablespoon of rose water soothing gel. Add 1 teaspoon of glycerin oil. Mix it well until smooth and your instant glow booster is ready. One soap, hydrated and calm skin. This simple blend of rose water soothing gel and glycerin deliver intense hydration while soothing and repairing your skin. Glycerin as a natural, powerful lock-in moisture to keep your skin plump and hydrated. Rose water help balance your skin pH, reduce redness, and provide antioxidant protection. Together, they create a gently calming treatment that leaves your skin feeling soft, smooth, and refreshed. Perfect for all skin types. Use it regularly for a healthy, glowing complexion.